Hi everyone! Welcome to Dobby's Signature. In this video, we'll be learning how to make good old cornbread. Cornbread is a classic, moist, and slightly sweet bread made with cornmeal. Here's a quick and easy recipe for homemade cornbread. In a large mixing bowl, combine the cornmeal, flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt. Stir well. In a separate bowl, whisk together the eggs, melted butter or oil, and milk until fully combined. Pour the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients and gently stir until just combined. Be careful not to overmix. Grease an 8-inch square baking pan or cast iron skillet with butter, nonstick spray, or dust with flour. Pour the batter into the prepared pan and smooth the top. Bake in a preheated oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius, for 20 to 25 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean and the top is golden brown. Allow the cornbread to cool for a few minutes, then cut into squares and serve warm, with butter or honey if desired. Here are some tips. For a richer flavor, use buttermilk in place of regular milk. Add ingredients like shredded cheese, corn kernels, or diced jalapenos to customize your cornbread. This cornbread is easy to make and wonderfully versatile, adding warmth and flavor to any meal. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up or hit the follow button so you don't miss upcoming updates. Till next time, bye-bye.